What if you had access to the real secrets behind building wealth, mastering your mindset, upgrading your technical skills and purpose? Welcome to ITLadder Academy Premium, your all-in-one platform to master life, master tech, and master yourself. Inside, you'll unlock access to premium posts packed with millionaire insights, downloadable eBooks that reprogram your thinking, courses designed to help you scale your income, upgrade your habits, and awaken your full potential. Learn life hacking strategies to dominate your day. Master high-income skills like coding, automation, AI, and digital leverage. And tap into the spiritual tools that keep you grounded, focused, and aligned. This isn't just content. It's your launchpad to financial freedom, personal clarity, and technical mastery all in one place. It's time to stop scrolling, stop guessing, stop waiting. Join ITLadder Academy Premium today and step into the version of you that builds, scales, and thrives.